Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2023 Grand Design Imagine 3210 BH. This RV is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. There's a link below for new, used, service and parts. It's a 3-door model, so here you see one door that goes into the bedroom, and I'll show you that in a moment. Nice awning here off the campsite slide out. Here's the second door, and we'll dive in a moment. Still have some more goodies I want to show you. Outdoor kitchen, so we have a griddle, refrigerator, some area for storage, LED lighting. So the BH is for the bunkhouse. There's double speakers, double windows, double the fun. We have a rear door, which I'll show you that from the inside, a ladder going up to the rooftop. And here's the second slide. So it is a 2-slide, one on each side, campsite, off campsite. And here's some nice storage on the off campsite. You can put your less frequently used items there. So over both axles and tires and wheels, we have slides, so I don't really have the ability to show you too much of that. And then here is your water hookup, as well as your electric and your pass-through storage. And there's the Imagine badging. So we'll go ahead and hop inside. For January, it's not a bad day at all. It's really rather nice outside. There's the 3210 BH badging. This is really a nice floor plan. I haven't seen this floor plan before, and I think you're going to like it. I'll get to the BH or the bunkhouse here in a moment. Want to show you some of the goodies. So you have this island, and it's kind of out on its own. Not that that's a problem, but it is a unique design. You have your microwave oven, refrigerator, your 3-burner cooktop, as well as your smaller oven, your TV, and then also here we have your stereo setup and those small cabinets. You have a planning station with above cabinet storage, as well as some below drawer storage. Check this out. 4 in a row recliners. That's really a unique setup. Haven't really seen that before. Back up and give you perspective. It reminds me of when I was a kid. I grew up Catholic, and you go up to see the nuns, and they all had recliners at Halloween, and you had to go up and tell clean jokes to the nuns, otherwise it would be hell to pay. So as we look at the pass-through bathroom, your commode, your nice size shower wand, stainless steel bowl, and then we step into the bedroom. We have area for a flat screen TV should you decide to go that route. We have cabinets on both sides for your hang-up clothes. We also have nice size drawers, and then you also have the set up to charge your phones or a CPAP machine. And then you have task lighting if you're going to read in bed or just keep it as a night light. And then here's that first door I showed you from the outside. So that's the first door. We came through the second door, and then I'll take you into the bunkhouse now, and we'll see the third door. So that dining table does slide out. So if you want to move it around, you're able to. And then also on your island, you have your drying rack in there. You have drawers, cabinets. Let me flip a light on so we can see a little better. And plenty of storage here underneath the sink. And then here is your bunkhouse, and there's that third door. It's locked, so I wasn't able to open it from the outside, but this is really a real nice bunkhouse. Plenty of room. your top bunks. And then you have these drawers. So plenty of room for storage. Now, a lot of the bunkhouses, you see hang-up clothes in an area for a TV. This doesn't have that. Your plug-ins, additional LED lighting. You see plug-ins on both sides. So really nice, unique floor plan. Haven't seen this one before. Love to hear your feedback, your thoughts. Give it a thumbs up if you found value here. Appreciate it. I enjoy bringing these videos to you, and I hope they bring value. I try to get back to you as quickly as possible as far as answering, I was about to say any and all questions. I don't answer all questions. The stupid questions I don't answer. Thanks again for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you found this value, and I'll catch you on the next video. Have a great day.